First of all, click on Start Lab and open the console incognito window. Now just click on I understand. Now from here, you need to just click on I agree, agree and continue. And in the first step, you have to click on this button to activate the Cloud Shell. Now just click on continue, authorize. Let me increase the text size. Now come back over here and just select it and just paste over here, hit enter. Now wait for this command to execute. One more important thing, if you are getting any error, just restart the lab and try again. Let's wait for at least 10 to 12 minutes and after that we'll meet again and check whether we are able to get the score or not. Now once you see output like this, you have to simply click on this URL. And one more important thing, let's come to the lab instruction and check the score for remaining tasks. That is the first and second task. You can refresh and try again. So you can see we got the score for first and second task. Most of you are facing issue regarding the second task only. So what you need to do, you need to restart the lab and try again. Now coming to the third task, you can see the data flow job is just started. It will take around 5 to 6 minutes to complete. So you need to wait for some more time and after that we'll check again. So after waiting for 5 minutes 28 seconds, maybe it may take more time for you. After that, we got the succeeded check mark. So we'll come over here and simply check the score. If you're getting error, I'll recommend restart the lab and try again. So let's see whether we are able to get full score or not. You can see we got the score. So thank you. Have a great day ahead.